Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Poddar. So today we are going to discuss about unit number 6, processors and pipelining, lecture number 46. Now let us go through the contents that we are going to discuss in this video. We are going to study about various instruction set architectures, and one of those instruction set architectures, that is CISC architecture. Now let us see what is the definition of instruction set architectures. Now, a complete instruction set is often referred as a instruction set architecture. It's a part of the processor that is visible to the programmer or compiler writer. So in the second unit we have studied various instructions, what type of instructions we use. So combining all the instructions together is called as a instruction set architecture. Now ISA serves as a boundary between software and hardware. It means that whatever we write the program, it acts as an interface between the software and the hardware. So these instructions will help to communicate between the software as well as the hardware. So it also specifies the addressing modes used for the accessing data operands as well as the processor registers available for use by the instructions. So we have studied various addressing modes as well as data operands. There are various instruction set architecture, different instruction set architecture where different processor registers will be used. The first two philosophies to instruction sets were introduced as reduced, that is RISC, which stands for reduced instruction set architecture, and complex, which stands for CISC, that is complex instruction set architecture. Now let us go through the CISC architecture, which stands for complex instruction set architecture. You can see the microprogram control diagram of a CISC architecture. So the acronym stands for complex instruction set computers. So CISC stands for complex instruction set computers. It uses a microprogrammed control. As you can see here in the diagram, it uses a microcontroller program memory. It is based on the concept of using very large instruction set, that is VLSI programming. So the set that uses for the instructions is very large instruction set, having simple as well as the complex instructions. So it can be used for executing simple as well as complex instructions, also keeping in the mind that program length will be small as possible. Now CISC instructions vary in size, specify a sequence of operations. So whatever the instructions we write in the CISC architecture are very small in size, also it varies, and also it requires a slow decoding algorithms. Now when you consider about the registers that are used in the CISC architecture, there are very few registers, and what are the registers, it may be used for only for special purposes. Now let us go to the contents that we had in this video. So we have discussed about what is instruction set architecture or ISA, and the CISC architecture, that is complex instruction set computers. Thank you.